My name is Glenn Traner. I'm the Associate Chief Engineer at the ADDMAN Wright City facility. Yeah, so machining hard metal versus aluminum. So hard metal is a core competency for us, both titanium, super alloys, and steels. It makes up about 50% of our business. So with hard metals, the real limitation with those is the material characteristics themselves. They're high strength and they typically have poor thermal conductivity. And because of that, that limits both the speeds and feeds at which you can run, and it also limits the life of the tool itself. So we have to use special cutters. They tend to be more expensive and they only typically last about 30 minutes per cutter. Whereas in soft metals, we're typically limited by the physical attributes of the machine itself. So you can run as fast and as long as the machine itself can handle that in aluminum versus hard metal.